Subscribe to our channel. VPM provides you with tools and information to help you run your remote business smoothly.
Is the clock ticking with a new year for your LLC with ongoing requirements? You guessed it, it's annual report time for many of you. Your annual report gives a detailed account of what your business has done in the previous year. Your state requires you to file an annual report for 3 main reasons: to keep compliance for your LLC, maintain good standing for your LLC, and update your contact information. The due dates and fees vary depending on your state. For example, some annual reports may require you to file every year and some every 2 years. The big takeaway of what you should do here for this video in relation to your annual report is keeping the information updated. If you haven't done so, now is the time to focus on changing your business address, registered agent, or both. What's included in your annual report? LLC name, LLC members and managers, LLC number like your EIN from your Secretary of State, business purpose, business address. If you're using your home address for your LLC and you realize the pain of having it be public, now is the time to change and update that business address. The recommendation is a virtual mailbox, so you get to have a permanent address in your state, but also protect your privacy by using that virtual mailbox address instead of your home address on LLC documents. A bonus is that virtual mailboxes also let you manage your business mail all online so you can act fast, save time, and keep all important documents in one place. Registered agent information. You might have assigned yourself as your LLC's registered agent and have felt overwhelmed or are reevaluating another option instead of paying your current registered agent. For example, you use a formation company and went with their free 1-year registered agent service. But wham, it's like $200 plus per year now. Either situation, the ideal recommendation is using VPM's free registered agent services. You'll be able to use VPM's registered agent address to protect your privacy since registered agent information is public. Also, you'll be able to get same-day access to all service and process and legal communication online. Act faster on these time-sensitive and important matters while staying compliant. You can get free registered agent services at all locations with select virtual mailbox plans. So if you go with a VPM virtual mailbox as your business address, you can get the perk of using this option. Why not make life easier with this 2-for-1 service? Yes, please. And remember, just because you paid a company to form your LLC, the annual report is your responsibility. So it's best to check and verify whether that formation company will file on your behalf or you need to file it on your own. How do you file your annual report? Generally, there are 2 ways: file it online or file it by mail. This depends on your state, however. Check out the links in the description or in the next videos for free state-specific guides and how to form your LLC from start to finish. Learn more.